All the time I get asked this question: how can I make money without spending some time to get started? Is it even possible? I'm here to tell you that it is, and the answer has been right in front of you this entire time. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to use your phone as a powerhouse for content creation and how you can make millions of dollars per month like other people are doing. And this is something that everyone in my current YouTube niche is trying to gatekeep from you. So be sure to click the subscribe button and stay in the loop so you can level up in life. To break this down to you simply, YouTube Shorts is going to speedrun the time that you have on YouTube to get to 100k subs and get monetized quicker. I'll be covering everything from the length of your videos, what they should and shouldn't include, and how to use this to your advantage to bring your audience from your shorts to your long form videos where you can make the bigger bag if you're trying to achieve that as well. Step number one is choosing your niche. Now, when you choose a niche, it will determine all different factors of what will happen down the line. Niches will affect your CPM, meaning how much money you make per 1,000 views. It will determine how hard it will be to push content out more consistently. It will determine what kind of audience you have and if there's longevity. Advertisers would tend to spend way more money on channels that benefit them specifically. So for example, if you have an education channel, your income will be immensely higher than a channel that does vlogs and they swear a lot in the videos. And that's because brands don't want to put their stuff on people that swear and do bad things to make their whole brand look bad, because that's representing their brand image. But when they put it on a channel that does good things, education, teaching, finance, stuff like that, then that's when they'll give you the money, because it also makes them look good as the channel looks good. And I'm not lying here. The average YouTube CPM on any channel is about $3 per 1,000 views. But on my type of finance niche, it is $15, and that can range up to $50. Some people even get $100 per 1,000 views on certain videos that they make. That means on a channel like mine, if a video gets 1 million views and my CPM is at $15, I'll be making 15 grand off one video. Now, of course, when it comes to your niche, you need to be able to make sure that you can post a lot of content and stay consistent, because that's the thing. It's more about consistency than it is quality. If you're way more consistent with your stuff, you're bound to blow up. However, it all determines how much money you actually want to make. For an example, some YouTube shorts take around 6 to 7 hours to make, because I've been there and done that. However, I personally would not recommend that. If you want a quick buck, try put yourself in a niche where it's not too hard to make content. For an example, you could easily repurpose other people's content. Like when you go on TikTok, you see other streamers that get their videos captioned. And that's all from different people, regular people like me and you, that just sit there, download the videos and cut them up into shorts. And some people are making 10k a month from this. It is probably one of the most easiest niches you could do, in my opinion. Now, of course, this determines your audience again, and if you do Roblox videos, you'll get Roblox fans. If you do Minecraft videos, you'll get Minecraft fans. So you have to make sure that when you're in one niche, you have to keep posting in that same niche. You can't just switch it up. Now let's actually get into the point of piecing your video together. The editing side, the thing that everybody dreads doing, but it's actually easier than you think. I know most people have probably heard of apps like CapCut, InShot, TikTok Editor, and loads of other free apps that you can use. Now, most of these things actually have presets on them, like CapCut. When you go on there, they have an auto caption feature. So if you want to cut clips up for people, you can just auto caption it. You ain't even got to edit most of it, only certain little tweaks. And some of you probably heard me say CapCut and thought this guy has no idea what he's talking about. But I promise you, if you learn this app inside out, you can make some brilliant content with ease. Once you've chosen your niche, you need to figure out how your videos are going to be pieced together, and you need to stick with that exact format every single time. You can't afford to change it, otherwise you'll blow your whole channel over. Now, of course, different niches and different videos will require different editing. So as I previously said, when you're cutting up streamers, you need captions. If you're doing like day in the life videos, then you might need voiceovers and captions. Some things might not need pop-in effects, some things might not need transitions. It all depends what it is. You need to find your competitors and compare your videos and do them better. You don't want to compare yourself to people that are not doing no views at all. You want to go to the top dogs and try to compete with their videos. That's when your stuff will blow out of the water instantly, I promise you. Now, I would say don't make your content over 30 seconds, because to be honest, nobody really watches past 20 seconds. That's why shorts were made and TikTok was invented, is because people like short form content. Don't be turning short form content into like a minute long. No, if you want to bang views, it needs to be between 20 to 30 seconds. If you're making TikToks, it's a complete different story that I can cover in another video. In today's one, we're talking about YouTube Shorts. And another tip, try to avoid copyright music as much as you can, because it will stunt your growth so much. Just use copyright-free music or no music at all. And just a little bonus, if you're willing to spend a bit of money, I know the title says not to. A good website that I go to is creatorset.com. It has loads of presets, loads of free animations, some cost, but it's really good. I would use it. Ranges about $5 to $10. You got your format, you found your first video and you edited it. But what now? I want to go on a deep dive about YouTube and how the algorithm really works and how it affects your videos. Everybody overcomplicates things and they say that the YouTube algorithm don't like them, but the truth is they just don't understand YouTube. Now, depending on your niche, it depends how many times you need to upload per day. And I don't know what niche you're doing in specific, so look at your competitors and how often they upload and it will give you a good idea. For me personally, I was doing TikToks while I was roasting someone and I was uploading 5 times per day every single day. But I would personally recommend 1, maybe between 3 videos per day. But once you do it, stick with the consistency of how many videos you're going to do. Make sure you can handle it, because as I said, the moment when you mess with the algorithm and you mess with your consistency is the moment where your channel will not grow. Now, YouTube needs to recognize the consistency so they can push you. YouTube love consistency. That's how they put you in browse features. What that basically is recommended. So when you're on a YouTube homepage or you're going through shorts, because it's a little bit different compared to long form, you will always be noticed in the feed. That's where you want your videos to be. You don't even have to make good videos, because people make bad videos and they're still in recommended or in the shorts feed. So you just need to make sure that you're actively posting content all the time. Don't get it wrong, it's not an overnight success story. It will take anywhere between 1 and 3 months. It depends how lucky you are. And I also have to put out there, if it's going past about 3 months, just stop it. Change the niche. If it's not working and you're being consistent, you've done something wrong. But don't lose your hope, because you need to push past it. Everybody's been there. Now, to ensure a smoother blow up process and you don't stunt your growth one bit, you need to try stop the swearing and do not break any TOS. Now, the way I see things is you need to treat YouTube like a business, because the moment when you treat YouTube like a business is when you can make your money. When you understand the game and you understand the rules of how you have to play it, that's the moment when you can make a lot of money from YouTube. And another tip for beginners, if you don't really understand YouTube even one bit, then you need to use tags. More or less what it is, it's loads of keywords that you can put in the video, so it will help with search terms. So when you go to upload your video, go down, you'll see the tag section, and put in keywords that people are most likely to search, what the video is related to and what you think that they would search up. Now, the final thing I'm going to cover on the analytical side of YouTube is set what your channel is about. So more or less, there's loads of different sections of what you can choose what your channel actually is. Some might be entertainment, some might be film, some might be sports. There's loads, but you need to set it to your specific niche. You can do this by going to your settings on your YouTube dashboard and changing the brand category of your channel. Now, of course, once you've done all of this, you've made your first couple videos, you're thinking, when am I going to get paid from YouTube? How does it even work? Where does the money come from? How does the money get processed? This is why I'm going to sit and explain to you of how it all works. So what are the metrics to get monetized? More or less, you need to hit a certain threshold of subscribers, watch time, and videos posted. So if you're doing YouTube Shorts, you need to get 3 million views, you need to have 3 videos posted in the last 90 days, and you need 1,000 subscribers. You might be thinking 3 mil views is a lot to get, but when you're in Shorts, you can get 100 million views like that. So let's break down the difference between CPMs and RPMs, because you might be thinking, what are they? CPMs are how much advertisers are paying for 1,000 ad views. RPM is how much you actually earn per 1,000 views. RPM is revenue per mile and CPM is clicks per mile. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that you can be a millionaire from YouTube Shorts. You can make a lot of money. However, they earn significantly less than long form videos. However, YouTube Shorts are going to speed run you making the big bag from long form videos a lot faster. Alongside with this, you can make money from super chats and fan donations. Of course, this depends on your niche, because if it's a personal one, then you can. If it's a clip channel, then you're not really going to get none of that. You can also use the attachment tool to link your long form videos. As I said, it determines on what niche you pick. Along with this, you can get sponsors, so make sure to make a business email and you can attach it in YouTube. So that means anyone can contact you if they look for your business email. Now, of course, once you made your YouTube channel and you're uploading on there, it's time to expand. It's time to gain followers elsewhere. It's time to make some more money. So here's what you can do. YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikToks all have the same format. So what you can actually do is repurpose the same video across the 3 different platforms. This saves a lot of time, and you're also making growth elsewhere on different platforms. So to make money on TikTok, you need 10k followers and you need 100,000 views. Now, Instagram doesn't really have the best monetization, so you'll probably be making most of the money through sponsors if you grow your account. It's very good for getting inbound leads and also networking with other creators. Expanding platforms is crucial in building your brand and letting people see your face more and more. You've seen that I've probably made this whole video about YouTube Shorts, and you're probably thinking, why don't I do shorts? What is this guy talking about? Is he even credible? Well, I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. When you strictly just post long form, you're going to be in the YouTube game for years. There's no doubt about it. However, when you're in the YouTube Shorts game, it's a cash cow. You're getting your money and then you're going and then you're on to the next thing. That's not how I want to do things. Me personally, I'm here for the long run. I'm here for consistent viewers. I'm here for returning subscribers. And sometimes, just sometimes, depending on your persona, if you do shorts, you're going to get subscribers from shorts and they won't return to your long form videos. It depends, but I'm not taking that risk because it stunts videos from blowing up sometimes. Now, of course, I've ran YouTube short channels. They've done good. So I'm past that point in my life. I'm on to bigger and better things. My name's been Ty White. If you believe that you've got any value from this video, please make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Thank me later.